Now you want to find out whether these equations define y as a function of x. In order to do that, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to solve for y and see what you get. So in this case, I'm going to start with, well, subtracting 5x from both the sides of the equation to take the 5x over to the other side. And so I get 3y squared equals 15 minus 5x. And then to find out what y is, I divide both sides of the equation by 3. So on the left hand side, I can cancel 3. And well, on the right hand side, I can't really do anything. I'm going to leave it as it is. So I have y squared equals 15 minus 5x over 3. Now this could mean two things. When I take the square root here, I could either get the positive or the negative square root, which means that I could have y is equal to either the positive or negative square root of 15 minus 5x over 3. Now this is a problem because this means that for every value of x that you plug in, you get two different values of y. And so this cannot be a function. So in this case, we say that this is not a function. Okay, what about part B? Once again, we are supposed to solve this equation for y. So I'm going to start with subtracting 3x squared from both the sides of the equation since I want to take the 3x squared over. So on the left hand side, it cancels. And I can rewrite this equation as 4y cubed equals 6 minus 3x squared. And now to get rid of the 4, I'm going to divide both the sides of the equation by 4. So on the left hand side, I can cancel 4. And I'm left with y cubed equals 6 minus 3x squared over 4. Now if y cubed equals to this value, all I need to do to find y is I need to take the cube root on both sides of the equation. Now luckily for us, with the cube root there's no plus or minus problem. There can only be one cube root for any number. So in this case, on the left hand side I can cancel the cube root and the cube. And so I'm left with just one value, that is y equals the cube root of 6 minus 3x squared over 4. So for each value of x in this case, I get exactly one value of y, which means that this is a function. Okay.